Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, kids, boys and girls, for joining us at this expo. This is the last day.
The JCF Transformation Expo has been going great so far.
So you came yesterday and you loved it so much, you come back today?
Well, my daughter has to work here, so she took me for Mother's Day.
Wow! Hey! Hey! You're a big dancer?
Yes.
Hold on. Tell auntie and uncle what you say?
I always dance to songs I know.
Oh, so you're a big dancer from long time?
Yes.
About how many years you have this career?
3.
It has just been an extraordinary experience for all the persons who have been attending. From the feedback they have been given.
What you say? Hold on. So you come Friday, you're fully high. You come back Saturday, fully high, and you come back today again.
Yes, I decided that I went to early morning church. I said I have to come after and see the full thing.
You wanted to see a full JCF family, not just 2 booths. You want to see everything. Love that. Thank you so much for coming. Hi, Mother.
Hi.
How are you enjoying the event so far?
Well, it's nice and it's interesting.
What has been your favorite thing so far?
The gun.
The guns. Yes, the mothers love the guns though. I don't have anything to say.
I thought it was better that I thanked this team. This is a representation of your police officers. They're not handpicked necessarily to do this. The people who are talking to you, this is their day job. This is what they do. That's why they can answer your questions. That's why they can tell you what's going on. I wanted you to be able to interface with your police force, your JCF. So thank you all, thank you for being a part of this and coming and seeing what we're doing. And thank you all. Team, did a good job, great job. Thank you.
JCF Transformation 2023.